Hey, what's up guys? This is Deepak here and welcome to your source of tech, TechTonics. So, today in this video, we are going to be teaching you how to use your GPS offline. I mean how to use your GPS without any internet connection. First, let's know the so first let's know what's the benefit of having offline GPS. It is less battery consuming and it can be used in any remote location, very good for travelers, and you don't need an internet connection to have this. If you are in remote location, obviously there will be no internet, so you can obviously use this trick too. It's not actually a trick, it's available, but most of the guys don't know out there. So these are the benefits, but there are still plenty of benefits which I'm not gonna mention in this video. So before we begin, hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you will not miss any of our future videos. Now let's do it. To make it work, you will have to download Google Maps. Once you download it, just search the place where you want to be offline, or if you are traveling somewhere and you don't know whether there will be an internet connection or not, so you can simply download the location map before you go there. So once you download it, it will hardly cost you 10 to 15 MB, so you don't need to worry about the data. So if you made it this far, then don't forget to give us a like if this helps you. Now everything is done. Just turn off your internet and go to maps, choose the direction and simply hit start button. It will start to navigate you without internet connection, but one thing you will have to keep in mind, this thing works only if your phone supports GPS, not AGPS, because GPS is based on satellite connection and AGP is based on internet connection. So make sure you are using a GPS mobile. So to know that if your phone supports GPS or not, if you are using any MI phone, just dial *#* MIUI ## and check if this supports or not, or else you can simply search your mobile model number on Google. It will give all the specs your phone having. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to the channel because it's completely free. And thank you for watching guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.